To start making a Christmas tree, first go to coolers.co and start the generator to choose a color scheme for your Christmas tree. If you don't like the first color scheme that you see, you can press the space bar to change it until you find a color scheme that you like and you feel is appropriate for your design. So I'm going to look for a green color scheme for my Christmas tree. Okay, let's say I'm happy with this. Once done, I can actually take a screenshot of this page. So on your keyboard, press the print screen button. When you're done, go to Gravit, sign in, and create a new design. On your new page, you're going to paste in the color scheme that you copied. So just do a Ctrl V, paste in the color scheme. There you go. And with this, you can actually hide it at the bottom of the page. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to first change my page color to one of the color schemes here. So what I'm going to use is the eyedropper. And I'm just going to click onto the color that I want from the color scheme. So that's my first color I've used. Now let's start our tree. I'm going to do the trunk of the tree first, which makes use of a square squished into a rectangle. Okay, so that's the trunk of my tree. If you really have no space, you can just move your color scheme further down a bit because all you need is a little bit of the color to see. Okay, so for my tree trunk, I'm going to round the corners. That's up to you whether you want to do this or not. For me, I want to make a rounded appearance. Now, I'm going to change the fill color using the eyedropper. And I'm going to select another color from my color scheme. Okay, so that's following your color scheme that you have chosen. Now, to continue on with the tree, I'm going to start making each section of the tree itself made up of different triangles or hearts. Okay, so the shape is really up to you to use. I decide to make it creative, so I'm going to use the heart and flip it upside down using the flip vertical to make it into a tree shape. Okay, so this is the section of leaves. You can stretch it to make it bigger, align it to the center, and you can change the fill color using the eyedropper by selecting a color scheme that you have chosen earlier. Once done, I'm going to copy my heart shape two more times to make 3 sections. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Pull out the second copy, make just a bit smaller, stack it on top the previous one. Change the color scheme using the eyedropper to the next color on your color scheme. And then do another paste. Ctrl V. Make another smaller heart, put it right on top. Okay, or another shape. Use the color scheme eyedropper to pick out another color scheme from your chosen one. Okay, and that's how you can make a very simple tree. If you want, you can also add some decorations to your tree by adding a star, maybe. Okay, and for this decoration, don't be afraid of reusing some colors within your color scheme. So I'm going to reuse this light gray-blue color for my star. Okay, I can also choose to decorate the tree with ornaments by putting a few circles, making them really small, and just scattering them around the tree. Okay, before that, I can also choose my fill color so that when I copy and paste, I have the color that I want. You can also play with your color schemes and mix a few different colors together. Okay, it's really up to you how you want to decorate and rearrange your ornaments. Okay, so that's your Christmas tree. Once done, don't forget to add text to write a line of Merry Christmas or Season's Greeting. And then once you're done, don't forget to save your work, export, and put it into your class notebook.